That's huge.
The bell notification down below. For your heart, you hold my life in your hands, where I can see you face to face. I worship you in spirit and truth.
Okay, where are we going, guys?
We're going
Hoover down. Damn.
Dang. Where are you going? You know where we're going?
Hoover?
There's our driver, Philippines.
Yes, we're going to Hoover Dam, my man, yo.
Our navigator, Melchor.
We're going there so that you need to be there.
Ano daw? Lucas, where are you? All right, say hi, everyone. Where are you? In Hoover? Hoover Dam. Say hi to your classmates. Hi, everyone.
Today I have a trip.
You have a trip today. Alright, we're here. We're going to walk Hoover Dam all the way over there. I'll see how it goes. Let's go.
Daddy, what do you see?
What about you?
Daddy, mommy.
Video daw, video. Mom. It's a video. Say hi.
Video ba?
Say hi. Wave, wave in the video. Wave. Wave. Wave, wave. Alright, so that's where we just came from. We walked through all the way from there, up there. That's where our cars parked. Look at that. That's where the water used to be. Ala! Mahangin na. Buti na lang, naka-leggings. Ay, nako, pastora. Ano pa? Ano masasabi mo dito sa Hoover Dam?
Amazing, scary,
Scary.
it's very deep down there.
Nakaban. Taas masyado. Look at your big pencil. That's huge. Okay, ito kami. On the edge of the world. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Uy! My gosh. Ano nararamdaman mo, Phil? Nagkakape ka lang kasi. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. We're here. We're gonna go visit the 7 Magic Mountains. Alright, there's Jax. We're gonna visit the colored. What 7 Magic Mountains are the colored rock? Ano masasabi niyo sa 7 Magic Mountains? Ito eh. Wow, much better. It's cold in the desert. Lamig. Lamig sa desierto. Lucas, quick question. What color is the... Alright, Lucas, where are you? Where did you bring Ducky? You're in the 7 Magic Mountains or rocks. I think 7 is the most colorful. Look, 7 up there. Right. What's your favorite color? Lucas. All the colors. Is it 7 Magic Mountains?
No, rock.
7 Magic Rock. Alright, let's go. Bellagio? How do you say it? Bellagio? Bellagio. We're not going to gamble. We're just seeing the sights. This is our proof. This video is our proof. We're not. Ano, look. Lucas, look.
Maybe first,
What? What do you see? What do you see? Oh, that's a horse. There's a horse over there. Wow, what's this, Lucas? Lucas, what's this? Whoa. that, Lucas. So many colors.
Yeah, so wait, Facebook?
Dang.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our vlog.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do like and subscribe.
If you like this video, click here and subscribe.
Please click the bell notification down below. And please tune in some fun of the Hi guys. We're now here in London.
London. Italy.
London, Italy. We are now here in Paris.
Paris. 1 hour flight lang, di ba?
Yeah. We're now here in Paris. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa Paris. Ayan na oh, lapit oh. 1 hour flight pa. Hindi. Wow, so many hats. So many hats.